home.
Every dream belongs to all. With respect and understanding, we can answer every call. Raise your hands, lift your voices, fill the sky with hope today. Side by side, we'll keep believing love will always lead the way. Shine with pride, let your light be seen brighter than we've ever been. Celebrate, inspire, empower too. There's nothing we cannot do. One family standing tall, with respect and love for all. Together we'll forever say, shine bright. Raise your hands, lift your voices. Fill the sky with hope today.
Ordinary acts of services. Nurses, doctors, medical practitioners, medical technologists, pharmacists, therapists, nursing attendants, administrative personnel, utility workers, security staff, and every member of our healthcare team dedicate themselves to the welfare of others. Among them are countless members of the LGBTQIA+ community whose commitment, talent, and professionalism strengthen our institution. Their service reminds us that excellence in healthcare is never measured by gender identity or sexual orientation. It is measured by the compassion shown to every patient, the zeal applied in every procedure, the integrity demonstrated in every decision, and the humanity extended to those who need us most. As President of the San Lazaro Hospital Employees Union Alliance of Health Workers, I firmly believe that every employee deserves a workplace free from discrimination, harassment, intimidation, and prejudice. Every health worker deserves equal opportunity for employment, promotion, professional development, and leadership based solely on merit, competence, and dedication. Our union has always stood for fairness, equality, and respect for human dignity. These principles do not only belong to one sector, they belong to all workers. When we define the rights of every employee, we strengthen the rights of every employee. When we promote inclusion, we create a healthier workplace. And when we embrace diversity, we become a stronger healthcare institution capable of delivering better services to the Filipino people. Pride is not simply about visibility. Pride is about recognizing that every individual deserves respect without conditions. It is about creating an environment where everyone can come to work without fear of discrimination and where every employee feels valued for who they are and for what they can contribute. To our LGBTQI+ colleagues, thank you for your resilience, your leadership, your creativity, your compassion, and your unwavering commitment to public service. Your presence enriches our workplace, inspires your co-workers, and helps make our hospital a more compassionate institution. As healthcare workers, we understand that healing begins with respect. Every patient who enters our hospital deserves compassionate care, regardless of their background, identity, beliefs, or circumstances. Likewise, every health worker deserves the most respect from colleagues and supervisors and the community we deserve. Today, let us renew our commitment, not only to celebrate diversity for one day, but to practicing inclusion every day. Let us continue building a workplace where everyone feels safe, heard, respected, and empowered to reach their fullest potential. As we celebrate this Friday, let us celebrate our diversity, that diversity is not a weakness. It's one of our greatest strengths. Different experiences, different perspectives, and different identities make us more compassionate caregivers and stronger advocates for public health. Together, let us continue serving with excellence. Together, let us defending our workers' rights. Together, let us continue promoting equality, respect, and solidarity. On behalf of the San Lazaro Hospital Employees Union Alliance of Health Workers, I extend my warmest greeting to everyone celebrating Pride Month. May we continue to build a workplace and a society where every person is respected, every voice is heard, and every worker is valued. Maraming salamat. Happy Friday! Mabuhay ang mga nagagawang kalusugan. Mabuhay ang pagkakapantay-pantay, pagkakaisa, at paglilingkod sa sambayan ng Pilipino.
Ba't di ba nanonood na lang? Tumayo kayo!
Creative Excellence Award. It is proudly awarded to Mr. Jedrick Blaza. Award to an individual whose exceptional contributions, dedication, and actions have advanced LGBTQIA+ inclusion, celebrated diversity, and fostered pride within our hospital and the community. Awarded this 29th of June 2026 at San Lazaro Hospital Amphitheater. For the information of all, nagkaroon po tayo ng votation to online. So, siya po ang nanalo.
For the creative excellence
Parang
award.
umabot ng 3,000. Yes, 1,000
Grabe, 3,000.
3,000.
Umamit siya ng boss. Yan. Para. $1,000 worth of
Two, mas bakit siya talaga? Mr. Don Galana!
The most functional. Siya po ang pillar ng San Lazaro Hospital. Hindi ka daw sa lahat ng wala po siya. Ay, hindi daw siya bakla. Nalinis ko, hindi daw siya bakla. Tapos kita ko mo, kita nila ng abot. Hindi ako nanginyo.
Different colors, one community.
Celebrate diversity and foster pride within our and community. Thank you very much.
5,000 votes. Bumalik siya ng guys. Yan. Ang dami silang pera. Si Era po rin nandito si Era. Palapakain po rin si Mayor Era. Nandito po siya. Ayan po siya. Palapakain. Oo, hindi ko rin nakapremyo. So, ayun lang na.
Bago tayo matapos, nais namin ipabot ang aming puspulong pasasalamat sa bawat kasama sa aking Pride Health Day celebration.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Inclusion Alliance of Health Workers, sa ating mga organizers, the volunteers, performers, especially yung sa mga Zumba Games kanina, no?
Hindi ko special sa mga hosts.
Sa mga hosts din, syempre, nalimutan yung screen, dapat yung mga hosts din nandito, no? Kasi wala pa talaga sa balak namin na kami po ay magpasabog today. Pero dahil bakla kami, kaya bakla tomboy kami, so diba? Ayan, so nilaban na namin siya. And the award is syempre sa pag-attend kahit day off ng isa, ayan, at sa bawat empleyado narito ngayong araw na natira, no? Kaya maraming salamat. Palakpakan niyo mga sarili ninyo. Ayan.
Every dream, every voice, every heart is
Happy Pride Month.
We are proud.
We are proud.
We are united.
Yes.
We are.
Born this way, baby! Ayan.
We are San Lazaro.
Here's the Lazaro Hospital.
Maraming salamat po. And enjoy the rest of the day.
So ngayon po ngayon, inaantayaan po namin din lahat pumunta po kayo sa harapan at tayo po ay mag-picture taking. Alright? Sige. Yung mga kapatid pa lang po sa likod kayo. First come, first time po sa lady. Tawag ko si Juma. Okay. Ano ba? Ayan. Yay! Happy Pride, mga bading!
Happy birthday, chicken!
Dapat pa rin tomboy. Tomboy naman din.
Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo?
Happy Friday! Friday! Happy Friday!
Go.
Open our hearts and dreams in our eyes. We celebrate love, respect, and war. Stand together and never walk alone. This is where we belong. Together we're strong.
Ang mamatay ng dahil
We'll keep burning just the same. Hand in hand we'll proudly say, love will always lead the way. Together we shine, together we rise.
May kagaya yung mga kulay sa loob, ma'am. Ngayon kapag nakakuha ng kapareho, may friends ka.
Palitin mo na tayo.
Medyas!
Ano masasabi yung video to?
Happy Friday!
Ano masasabi mo?
Wala akong masabi. Maganda.
Thank you.
Opo. Medyas! Medyas.
Ay, mali. Happy Friday! Lalo na kay Dedrick.
Ay, hindi mga wala. Mga wala. Boto ka sa Ken.
Ay, ilaw.
Okay. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Okay. Happy Friday. Happy birthday.
Happy Friday!
Paano mo nito mga kabang?
Nalo.
Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Isa pa. Sprite. Okay.
Happy Friday!
Lakasan mo pa. Lakasan mo pa. Happy Friday. Okay. Oh. Happy Friday. Okay, go. Happy birthday. Happy Friday. 3, 2, 1, go.
Happy Friday!
Okay.
Happy Friday!
Happy Friday. Ano?